Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren praises Manipur Police on its 120th Raising Day for taking tremendous role in maintaining peace and security. Writers Forum Imphal kicks off 3-day festival of literature, dance and music under North Eastern Council Donor Ministry of at JN Dance Academy. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur Police held its 128th Raising Day celebration at the parade ground of the 1st Manipur Rifles today. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren lauded Manipur Police for taking tremendous role in maintaining peace and security in the state. The Chief Minister took salutes and inspected the parade of 22 contingents of Manipur Police, including Women Police led by Parade Commander MPS Officer Samurai Latpam Jugeshwar, and presented several awards on the occasion. Chief Minister N. Biren presented the DGP trophy for Best Police Station, including a CAS award to Moray Police Station, the DGP award for Best Police Officer to Sub-Inspector of Lilong Police Station M.D. Wakibuddin, and the DGP trophy for Best Battalion to 5th Battalion Manipur Rifles. DGP's commendation roll with Diggs Awards were presented to 5 officers of Manipur Police, including a BSF commandant at the event. Topper of HLSC examination 2019 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM, Bhumika Samurai Latpam of Pitambara English School was also felicitated with CAS awards on the occasion.
Manipur you will have Bharatiya Punna Nagrik among Kantonam, I community to the priority, I community in a home, Hanselari is a cup, Personally, I could handle the governance, the political employees, Manipur River Bazaar, following the leaders in the group. Manipur is a court, a Koi, Amazon, having to offer the Waka already. Manipur Police Key and then the Waka. Once I elected member of our president, once I government is service, I am waiting that I am Manipuri.
Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren recalled that the state military police of Manipur existed after the Kongjom War of 1891, prior to the formation of the Manipur Rifles in 1892, and observance of Manipur Police Raising Day started from October 19 of the same year. Stating that although Manipur is a small but a complex state, Chief Minister Biren lauded Manipur Police for taking crucial role in the security setup of the state. He urged everyone to not to self-centric but to have sacrificial spirit to bring peace and unity in Manipur, a state comprised of diverse communities. Chief Minister Biren assured that Imphal West Commando Barrack and Imphal City Police Station will be renovated at the earliest. He added that the government intends to construct a police memorial park, a police memorial museum, and to open women commando unit in the state. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, ministers, MLAs and top police and civil officials attended the event. Chief Minister N. Biren also launched a blood donation camp at the banquet hall of Manipur Rifles on the occasion.
Public, people's friendly over Yamaru, we power the assistant one, Mari announcing like Hagatpa, around Hagatpa, the trust, the Mayo campaign, now my father, public reaction like this public reaction like you are counter the local posting, people friendly with the winning, and the Mahaka. Strategy, Prajasi, Landamari, Mushi, Napos, and the River, put a black fire from the elevation of the Pegi, Navogi, the Masipuna of Yapuna, Joy, Navomi, Manipur, and
3-day festival of literature, dance and music kicked off at Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy today. Writers Forum Imphal organized a festival under the North-Eastern Council of the Ministry of Donor. Renowned filmmaker, singer and composer Aribam Sharma, Professor of Guwahati University Dr. Viva Chaudhary, former Director IPR of NEC Manash Ranjan Mahaprata, President of Writers Forum Imphal Kaisam Priyoberta and other eminent persons attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Aribam Sharma stressed the need for writers and music composers to preserve the distinctive art and culture of the state in the modern era.
Manipur mapanda tapaya. Apoi sak tapaya bernama dia pukul masak tapaya pukul itu sih. Ay film dah tunggu bayi pun ini. Film dah nama dia ini nama film sini yang view Manipur ni Manipur ki tradition, Manipur ki culture, Manipur the base tu kami yang je everywhere appreciate itu togi. Pasal pun esidi amat katanya ani sudi. Aku memang divide tu betul ni itu pun nanti aku di. We must be inclusive. Yari bagai content macam ni aku je exclusive bagi tu macam nanti very important. Aku ni pasti nak tu depend tu ni bersih. Yang ni saya make diri bersih. Segi cap-cap apa di ATV pemutihan.
Human rights defender Manipur Head Office Kesampat apparently failed to conduct a health camp at Mongsangai Old Age Home after giving widespread media announcement about the same. As per the media statement given yesterday by Chairman of Human Rights Defender Manipur Head Office Kesampat Joy Chingakam, the health camp was supposed to start at 9:30 a.m. today. However, when Impact News and other media houses reached the old age home this morning, there were no sign of any medical camp. Media person left after waiting till 11 a.m. Upon inquiring, warden of the old age home said that they came to know about the proposed medical camp just this morning, but no one turned up to organize the event. The warden maintained that Human Rights Defender Manipur held its 10th Foundation Day observance at the old age home on October 10, and the banner used for the event also mentioned that a health camp will be organized at the old age home in Mongsangai on October 19.
Masigi namid dia 19 se hana koi gi mamang da human rights defender Manipur na tang tara da makoi foundation day toki adu masigi nimisida makoi gi flex da su 19 October 2019 health checkup all as at home da makoi na tawgani haidana adugi kano masu thetpirame aduga koi gi secretary sa na habibata ngasi si health checkup amadi lei ana hojik ngasi da pau phonge da kitang ingondasu lack of information hagadra adagi ingondasu knowledge kya lai jahudaba doctor gi moigi health checkup to bigadaba doctor gi side tadagi nurse kanamta lakte loina organize to bigadoriba ICRDM gi miyo amatasu hojbog laktri.
A married woman was found hanging at her backyard in Kochai Mayai Lekai under Mayang Imphal Police Station of Imphal West District today. The deceased woman is 25-year-old Leisang Them Ongbi Baby, wife of El Bisojit. Impact News sources said that Bisojit's niece found the body at around 9:30 this morning. Police team including OC Mayang Imphal Police and a team of Manipur Forensic Science rushed to investigate the incident. The body was then taken to RIMS morgue for further investigation. Mayang Imphal Police Station has registered a case against the incident and investigations are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on campaigning for assembly elections in Maharashtra and Haryana, which ends this evening. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Campaigning for assembly elections in Maharashtra and Haryana will end this evening. Prominent leaders of all the political parties are making their last-ditch efforts to woo the voters. Electioneering for by-polls to 2 Lok Sabha constituencies and 51 assembly seats in 17 states will also come to an end today. By-polls will be held in Samastipur Lok Sabha seat in Bihar and Satara Lok Sabha seat in Maharashtra. By-polls will be held in 11 assembly constituencies in Uttar Pradesh, 6 in Gujarat, 5 seats each in Kerala and Bihar, 3 in Sikkim, 4 each of Punjab and Assam, 2 each of Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh, and 1 seat each in Odisha, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Meghalaya, Puducherry and Arunachal Pradesh. Polling in Haryana and Maharashtra by-polls for 2 Lok Sabha constituencies and 51 assembly seats will take place on Monday. Counting of votes will be held on the 24th of this month. In Haryana, senior leaders of major political parties BJP, Congress, INLD and Jana Nayak Janata Party are campaigning in various parts of the state. In Maharashtra, senior BJP leader and Home Minister Rajnath Singh is scheduled to address rallies in Navapur, Akole and Karjat today. In Uttar Pradesh, electioneering has reached its peak for 11 assembly seats where a by-election will be held on Monday. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has approved a proposal for admission of girl children in Sainik schools from academic session 2021-22 in a phased manner. The decision has been taken following the success of the pilot project started by the Ministry for Admission of Girl Children in Sainik School, Chingchip in Mizoram 2 years ago. Rajnath Singh has directed concerned authorities to ensure availability of necessary infrastructure and sufficient female staff in Sainik schools for smooth implementation of the directive. The decision is in line with the objective of the government towards greater inclusiveness, gender equality, enabling greater participation of women in armed forces, and strengthening the motto of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Now the sports news. Hockey India on Friday named an unchanged women's squad to be led by Rani Rampal along with the men's team for the upcoming FIH Hockey Olympic qualifiers. The 18-member men's squad will be captained by Manpreet Singh and seasoned forward SV Sunil will be his deputy. Goalkeeper Savita will be the vice captain of the women's team. Winner of the FIH Hockey Olympic qualifiers will qualify for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. India will take on the USA on November 1 and 2 at the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar. Indian junior men's hockey team will clash with Britain in the final of 9th Sultan of Johor Cup in Malaysia today. Yesterday, in the final round-robin match, the Indian team and Britain play out an entertaining 3-3 draw. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birem praises Manipur Police on its 120th Raising Day for taking tremendous role in maintaining peace and security. And Writers Forum Imphal kicks off 3-day Festival of Literature, Dance and Music under North Eastern Council Donor Ministry at JN Dance Academy.